3 ans après avoir abandonné l'humain et leur nouveau-né, elle est revenue, suppliant qu'on lui pardonne. Les 2 soleils brûlants de Proxima Centauri frappaient impitoyablement l'avant-poste poussiéreux de New Hope, une colonie humaine isolée sur la planète frontière d'Eden Prime. EMT Redson ajusta le tissu gris-brun en lambeaux drapés sur sa tête, offrant une protection minimale contre les éléments hostiles. Sa combinaison furtive usée, renforcée de plaques d'acier, avait connu de meilleurs jours, mais elle remplissait encore sa fonction. À travers la poussière tourbillonnante, il observait son fils de 3 ans, Kai, jouer avec des jouets de fortune à l'ombre de leur modeste habitation. La peau verte du garçon, témoignage de son héritage mixte, brillait d'une légère couche de sueur. Malgré les défis de l'éducation d'un enfant hybride sur ce monde impitoyable, EMT n'avait jamais regretté un seul instant. Enfin, presque jamais. Ses pensées dérivèrent vers Denée, la mère de l'enfant, une magnifique femme verdanie aux traits marquants et aux longues dreadlocks noirs qui avait capturé son cœur lors d'une rencontre fortuite au poste de commerce. Leur nuit passionnée avait donné naissance à Kai, mais au lendemain de l'accouchement, elle avait disparu sans laisser de traces. Ces derniers mots résonnaient encore dans son esprit, « Ma famille ne l'acceptera jamais ». EMT chassa les souvenirs et se concentra sur son fils. « Il est temps de rentrer, petit guerrier. » La tempête de sable s'intensifie. Alors qu'il rentrait, l'alarme de la colonie se mit à retentir. La main de EMT se posa instinctivement sur son fusil à impulsion, mais l'annonce qui suivit fit glacer son sang. Attention à tous les résidents, une navette Verdanie demande une autorisation d'atterrissage d'urgence. Kai leva les yeux vers son père, ses curieux yeux dorés brillants. Que se passe-t-il, papa? Avant que EMT ne puisse répondre, une silhouette familière apparut dans leur encadrement de porte, se découpant contre la poussière tourbillonnante. Le corset noir-vert et la jupe grise étaient différents, mais il aurait reconnu cette silhouette entre mille. Denée se tenait là, son assurance d'autrefois désormais vacillante. Sans prévenir, elle tomba à genoux, ses dreadlocks cascadant en avant alors qu'elle inclinait la tête. EMT. Je sais que je ne mérite pas le pardon, mais je vous en supplie, écoutez-moi. Le silence qui suivit fut assourdissant, brisé seulement par le hurlement du vent et le petit souffle de reconnaissance de Kai, un son qui perça le cœur de EMT plus profondément que n'importe quelle lame. Il se tenait dans l'encadrement de la porte, sa carrure musclée bloquant le passage de Denée. La tempête dehors s'intensifiait, reflétant les émotions tumultueuses à l'intérieur. Kai, curieux, se glissa autour des jambes de son père, ses grands yeux dorés fixant l'étrangère qui partageait son teint émeraude. « Tu as 5 minutes », déclara EMT, sa voix grave portant à la fois autorité et une colère à peine contenue. « Fais en bon usage. » Denée resta à genoux, ses longues dreadlocks oscillant dans le vent. « Peut-être pas devant Kai ?» La mâchoire de EMT se crispa, mais il acquiesça. « Madame Chapman », appela-t-il à son voisinage. Une vieille femme fac apparut presque instantanément, comme si elle attendait ce moment. « Pourriez-vous surveiller Kai un moment ? » « Bien sûr, mon cher, » répondit-elle avec un sourire chaleureux, prenant la petite main de Kai. « Viens, petit, j'ai justement fait des biscuits. » Une fois que Kai fut hors de portée d'oreille, EMT fit un geste à Denée pour entrer. Elle se releva avec grâce, ses mouvements empreints de l'élégance fluide dont il se souvenait. Le corset noir-vert soulignait ses courbes, un détail qu'il força à chasser de son esprit. « 3 ans, dit-il d'un ton plat, croisant les bras. 3 ans de silence. 3 ans à élever notre fils seul. 3 ans à lui expliquer pourquoi il n'a pas de mère comme les autres enfants. » La posture de Denée se brisa. « Je sais, et je me déteste pour ça. Mais EMT, je... » « Non, » l'interrompit-il. « Tu ne peux pas te poser en victime ici. As-tu seulement idée de ce que c'est, de voir ton enfant pleurer chaque soir parce qu'il pense que sa mère ne voulait pas de lui ? Je le voulais, éclata Denée, sa voix se brisant. Par les étoiles anciennes, je le voulais plus que tout. Mais ma famille... Ce ne sont pas des Verdanis ordinaires. Mon père est le haut conseiller Tauron. Quand je lui ai dit que je portais l'enfant d'un humain, il a menacé de vous faire éliminer, toi et le bébé. » L'expression de EMT se durcit. « Alors tu as fui pour nous protéger. Comme c'est noble. » J'ai fui parce que j'étais lâche, admit Denée, les épaules affaissées. J'aurais pu me battre. J'aurais pu lui tenir tête. Mais j'ai choisi la voie facile. Ces 3 dernières années ont été tout sauf faciles. Elle sortit de la poche de sa jupe un petit projecteur holographique. Avec des doigts tremblants, elle l'activa, révélant des centaines d'images, des photos de surveillance d'EMT et de Kai. « Je ne suis jamais vraiment partie », murmura-t-elle. J'ai demandé à mes amis les plus fiables de m'envoyer des nouvelles, des photos, des vidéos. J'ai regardé notre fils grandir de loin, mourant à l'intérieur à chaque étape manquée. La colère d'EMT vacilla légèrement. Pourquoi revenir maintenant? Parce que j'ai enfin trouvé le courage de tenir tête à mon père. J'ai exposé sa corruption au conseil, ses transactions illégales avec le syndicat. Il a été déchu de son poste et de son influence. Je ne suis plus liée par ses menaces. Elle fit un pas vers lui, assez près pour qu'il sente le parfum floral familier de sa peau. Mais ce n'est pas la seule raison pour laquelle je suis revenue. Parce que chaque instant loin de vous deux a été une torture. Parce que je vous aime. Ne dis pas ça, coupa EMT en reculant d'un pas, tu as perdu ce droit il y a 3 ans. Dené hocha la tête, acceptant son rejet. Alors laisse-moi le regagner. Laisse-moi prouver à toi et à Kai que je peux être la mère qu'il mérite, la partenaire en qui tu avais confiance. 11 Share this dream of a future together late that night after Kai had been tucked into bed EMT found thee sitting alone on the settlement observation deck the moons of Eden prime painted her green sky in it real silver light and her black dreadlock sweat gently in the evening breeze as flourishing. EMT said breaking the silence I set led besider Ive never seen him so complete denny turned to facimer expression vulnerable and you how are you EMT the question in between. Them heavy with on spoken. Emotion EMT ran and through his beard buying time to organize his thoughts I'm confused and admitted finally watching you with him seeing how naturally you've stepped into his life it make me question everything he took knew about this past 3 years ask me anything the offered you complete. Honesty EMT shifted closer their shoulder almost touching did you ever reposed gathering courage did you ever regret that night not just living bus never she whispered fiercely that night was the most real thing you've ever experienced du you live with such intensity such passion you talked me what it means to truly feel alive the air between them crackled with familiar tension EMT became acutely aware of her proximity of the way her corset rose and fell with each breath and now he asked his voice rogue with emotion. Instead of answering Denny reached out and traced the line of his jaw finger cool against his skin the touch sans electricity through his body awakening memory et tried so hard to surpris. Never stopped wanting you she confessed. Even when he was away even when he took they lost the right to ever touch you again EMT cocked her hand in his bu instead of pushing it away and held it against his chest through the fabric of his stealth so she could feel his tracing this is dangerous and warned even I leaned closer everything worth having. Is she countered her free and sliding up his arm their first kiss was tentative a careful exploration of familiar territory made new by time and circumstance bu à des finger. Tangled in his hair a EMT pulled her closer the carefully maintained walls between them began to crumble that night marked a turning point in their relationship they came together with the desperate intensity of those who had lost and found each other again their passion tempered by 3 years of longing and regret in the aftermath a day tangled together in the observation deck's privacy the traced pattern on EMT's chest while he played with her dreadlock what happened now she asked softly Amy pressed a kiss to her forehead now we take it one day at a time we focus on Kai on healing what was broken on building something stronger than before and us2 e agreed pulling her closer but he need to know you're certain this time that you won't never again she vowed sealing the promise with a kiss my place is here with you and Kai what there comes we face it together a day drifted off under the star neither could have known that their renewed connection would soon be tested in way they couldn't imagine before now in this moment they had found their way back to each other and that was enough to month after their reconciliation EMT noticed sucle change in Denny usual grace carrier a new tender and her appetite for traditional verdon foods had shifted to peculiarly human craving the scene were familiar and they seen them before 3 years ago one morning a day watched Kai practicing his cosmic energy exercise in the garden the turned to EMT with shimmering eyes I'm carrying her second child she whispered her and instinctively moving to her abdomen Eve known for a few days he wanted to be Certain EMTS at swelled with joy and protection et puis leather closes strong arms encircling your way this time I'm not letting you face any of it alone their moment of happiness was interrupted by the settlement security system red warning lights flashed across the compound as sirens swelled their urgent song. Multiple unidentifiés vessels entering atmosphere the announced matching Verdon stealth signature EMTS combat instinct kicked in immediately your fater Denny face PED et wouldn't. Dareno tire papa mamakai. Khaled out his small form trembling with uncertainty EMT scooped up there son his mind already calculating escape route Mrs. Chapman's underground shelter now they raced through the settlement a more alarm joined the chorus EMTS stealth suis activated automatically ETS adaptive camouflage. Responding to the threat des Verdani ability allowed her to sense the approaching danger si ships each carrying trained carriers Mrs. Chapman was already waiting at her door ushering them inside the shelter is ready you've stocked it with supply tank. Uemi said ending kai to the elderly woman keep himself no kai protested reaching for his parent don't leave the knelt before tears on her voice steady despite her fear remember what he talked you about being brave about controlling your cosmic energy the boy nodded tears streaming down his green cheek we need you to be brave now she continued stay with Mrs. Chapman keep your energy hidden just like we practiced EMT touched this son s chic we ll come back for you warrior he promise as a shelter door sealed. Behind there son EMT and do shared a look of fierce determination they moved through the settlement with practice step their recent intimate moment having created an almost telepathic understanding between them the western ridge EMT whispered we can draw them away from the settlement de Nino Deader. Dreadlock swaying with emotion my fateres assassin won't expect us to work together they all assume I'm vulnerable separated from you then let's prove them wrong they reach the rich justa. The first Verdon ship touchdown. Now EMTS military training merged seamlessly with DS Cosmic Warren creating a deadly defensive partnership as the assassin emerged their green skinned darker and more weathered than Dine EMT couldn't help but admire how beautiful she looked in battle stance the first attack came swiftly. Energy bolt cutting through the air where they had stood second before EMT rolled returning fire with his pulse rifle while they channeled cosmic energy to create protective barriers the human steel. Lives one assassin snarled in. Berdani I counselor Toron will be most displeased for me I counselor de corrected her voice carrying across the ridge tell my fater is grand shield grows strong within me tell him can eter accept his human son in low end hybrid grand shield ran or can lose his dogter forever the announcement caused a momentary pause in the battle EMT used the distraction to take out two assassins with precise shot their body dissolving into cosmic energy a Verdani des ritual et they never understood you carry another abomination. The lead assassin's path then or order are clear no survivor what followed was a dance of death and devotion EMT and DI moved a one protecting each other with an intensity born of love and shared purpose is human combat skill complemented her Verani ability perfectly creating a fighting style. The assassin had never encountered as a battle reached ETS climax they channeled her pregnancy en anced cosmic energy into a massive burst while EMT's perfectly timed shot eliminated the remaining three the final assassin. Mortally wounded activated his ship's self-destruct sequence run EMT grabbed DS and pulling her away from the explosion that lit up the morning sky they found shelter behind a rocky outcropping body pressed together a debris rend around them in that moment of danger and adrenaline turbon. Felt stronger than ever I love you they breathed against his neck both a my mat and as a fater of my children EMT turned to face a recent gentle on her abdomen where their second child grew. I love you too no more. Running no more hidden we face everything together their kiss was fierce and tender a promise sealed in the aftermath of battle when they finally returned to retrieve Kai they found him practicing his cosmic energy exercise just a day talked him knew you they come back and said simply running into their arms that night at their small family huddled together in their home EMT and they began planning their future they knew on would send more assassin but they were ready their love tested by time and strengthened by adversity had created. Something rare and precious a family that bridged two species with understanding and acceptance the sleek interstellar transport cut through the darkness of space ETS gleaming under distant starlight in their private cabin EMT helt they close as she dosed fitfully her pregnancy making her more sensitive to the ship's sucle movementaire son kai sat cross-legged by the viewport practicing his cosmic energy exercise while watching the stars streak by Papa Kai whisper. Head not turning from the window will grandfather try to Earth US again EMTS Arms Titan protectively around DI notificant help it little warrior we are going to make him understand that love doesn't follow ruler boundary the journey to Verania Prime would take 3 more days EMT used the time to study Verdani custom and protocol. Determined to fast on his own term Denny had been teaching him the intricate dance of Verdani politic where word carrier a much wrecked a cosmic energy that evening after Kai had fallen asleep in his bank d'un led EMT to the